It's really interesting. Abraham is the father of the faithful. He's called the friend of God. He believed God. It was counted to him for righteousness. Let me ask you a question. And I answered it already this morning, but I'm going to ask, see if y'all are paying attention. Y'all are going to get an A if you get this in right, okay? Who is the first person the Bible tells us was rich? Abraham. So how in the world could being rich possibly be wrong if the very first patriarch of the faith, one of the blessings God gave him was abundance? Is that a good question? Yes, but yeah, I get that. That was good enough for Abraham, but I'm not Abraham, so I don't deserve it. Okay, first of all, none of us deserve anything good, because I remember reading a question in the Bible, one of the best questions in the history of the world, is what hast thou that thou hast not received? So everything we have is a gift.